Hi, welcome to Today in Physics.
Today, 24th February, is the birthday of Brian P. Schmidt, as well as the anniversary of the deaths of Claude Shannon, Katherine Johnson, Henry Cavendish, and Edward Morley. Brian P. Schmidt is famous for his groundbreaking work in cosmology, particularly for the discovery of the accelerated expansion of the universe. In 1998, Schmidt, along with his collaborators, led the Supernova Cosmology Project, observing distant type Ia supernovae to measure the universe's expansion rate. Their results revealed that the expansion is accelerating, contrary to expectations of a slowing contraction due to gravity. This discovery provided key evidence for the existence of dark energy, a mysterious force driving the acceleration. Schmidt was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2011, alongside Adam Riess and Saul Perlmutter, for this monumental achievement.
Henry Cavendish was a renowned British scientist known for his precise and groundbreaking experiments in physics and chemistry. His most famous contribution is the Cavendish experiment, which measured the force of gravitational attraction between masses and allowed him to calculate the gravitational constant and determine the Earth's mass for the first time. Cavendish also discovered hydrogen, which he called inflammable air, and conducted important research on the properties of gases. His meticulous scientific approach laid the foundation for modern experimental physics, particularly in gravitation and the study of gases.
Katherine Johnson was an African-American mathematician and physicist known for her critical contributions to the early space missions at NASA. Her expertise in analytic geometry and orbital mechanics helped calculate the trajectories for John Glenn's first orbital flight and the Apollo missions to the Moon. Johnson's work ensured the success of key space explorations by calculating precise flight paths, including trajectory analysis for the first American in space, Alan Shepard, and the first human spaceflight to orbit Earth, John Glenn. Her pioneering work in physics and mathematics broke racial and gender barriers, leaving a lasting legacy in the space exploration field.
Claude Shannon is known as the father of information theory, a groundbreaking field that underpins much of modern telecommunications and computer science. His most famous contribution, the Shannon entropy, quantifies the amount of uncertainty or information in a message, providing the mathematical foundation for data compression, encryption, and communication systems. Shannon's 1948 paper, A Mathematical Theory of Communication, revolutionized how we think about transmitting data. His work laid the groundwork for digital circuit design, the development of computers, and the efficient transmission of information, having profound effects on technology, cryptography, and the digital age.
Edward W. Morley is most famous for his collaboration with Albert Michelson in the famous Michelson-Morley experiment of 1887. The experiment aimed to detect the presence of the ether, a hypothetical medium through which light was thought to travel. The results showed no evidence of the ether, suggesting that the speed of light is constant regardless of the motion of the observer. This groundbreaking outcome was pivotal in the development of Einstein's theory of special relativity, which later revolutionized the understanding of space, time, and the nature of light. Morley's work significantly contributed to the abandonment of the ether theory.
If today is your birthday, happy birthday to you.